Hi everyone out there. We have an exciting video. Hopefully you guys will find fun and interesting. I'm learning this new trick. It's basically you're skating along and you jump to a 180 and you land on your toe stops, both of them, slide, and then turn and jump back out onto your wheels. So first get comfortable on the flat doing this. And that's where it all starts basically. So you're going to cruise along slow. Okay, I'm going to go this way.
Okay.
Cruise along slow. And when you're ready, you're going to turn, jump, and land on those toe stops. I think you roller derby people out there will find this not challenging, but easier to come to you guys, I think, because you're used to your toe stop slides in derby. So you're rolling like this again, staggered whichever way, looking this way, jump, landing your toe stops. So just do those a few times until you're comfortable with committing to jumping and landing on both those toe stops. Then the next step is going to be 180 off of those toe stops back onto your wheels and continue traveling in the same direction. And then this leads up to jumping on pyramids and boxes and sliding, and you can be really creative with this. It's really fun. So we're gonna skate along, and I'll demonstrate the 180 back out on the flat first. So to do that, you're going to be staggered stance, whichever way you're comfortable, like this. And when you're ready, you jump and back out.
Ooh.
So this is very important to do when you're doing this trick. You want to stay forward when you're jumping, like basically your head. So I'm looking this way. It's hard because I'm going to be on this side so you guys can see. So I'm looking like this, okay? And when you jump, keep your head looking at the same spot, and it keeps you forward so you can kind of, you don't go backwards. So get comfortable with that first. And then it's the same thing when you're basically jumping off of your toe stops back onto your wheels. You want to stay forward so you don't flip back, okay? So we're going to do that.
Oh, okay, nice.
So you literally keep your head forward. You do not want to flip back. Do it again. Get comfortable here. They're really fun to do.
Yeah.
Okay? So now I'm going to move up to this little obstacle right here.
Oh.
I'm going to try to roll in, go off the jump, turn around, slide across the top, and then jump back down the landing ramp.
Okay.
So we'll try that. It's the same mechanics involved, just faster.
All right.
So you guys are going to have to follow me.
Okay.
Go up top.
All right. Let's see it.
I might not make it over there all the way, but it's fun to try.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah.
Pretty good.
Almost.
Almost.
You guys get the gist of it.
You get the idea of it. Let's see it again.
Try it again.
Usually takes at least a few tries.
It's a lot faster, so that's why you want to start on the flat first.
Yeah, you want to get the hang of it on the flat so you're safe with your position, secure with your position.
Roll down. Ah. It's really fun. I'll try it one more time.
Okay. He's going back up, people. You got it.
All right.
Ready? Let's see it. Oh!
Almost
Stumbling and fumbling.
Yeah. But
All right.
You guys get the gist of it. I'll eventually work up to get over that thing, and it's just fun. It's all about progression and learning new things, and whenever I try to learn something new, I want you guys to see if you guys want to check it out and try it yourself. So hopefully you guys found this video fun and useful. If you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.